Have you ever tried to print a Numpy array only to be met with frustrating ellipses? It can be so annoying when you want to see all your data clearly. If that's you, stick around because today we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. Seeing your data cut off can feel like trying to read a book with half the pages missing. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face the same problem when working with Numpy arrays. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I print a Numpy array without truncation?" They shared their code snippet and expressed frustration that previous solutions didn't work. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what's happening here? By default, Numpy limits the number of elements it displays in an array to keep things tidy. However, when you want to see everything, this can be a real headache. Let's break down how to adjust these settings. And don't go anywhere. I have a special tip at the end that will help you manage large arrays even better. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the Numpy array is being printed without truncation. The first step is to set the print options correctly. The user should use the command np.set_printOptions_mp.inf to avoid truncation. Next, the user should check the data type of the Numpy array. If the array contains mixed types, it might lead to unexpected behavior. The user can verify the data type by using totallist.dtype. After confirming the data type, the user should ensure that the array is properly formatted. If the array is a two-dimensional array, it may be beneficial to flatten it before printing. This can be done using totallist.flatten. Finally, the user can print the array using the print function. By following these steps, the user should be able to see the complete Numpy array without any ellipsis. Fun fact, did you know that Numpy was created to make numerical computing in Python easier? It's like having a superpower for data manipulation. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that you are not printing Numpy arrays correctly. They recommend adding a specific line of code after your imports to adjust the display settings. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach provided by another user involves defining a function to print a two-dimensional Numpy array without truncation. This function sets the maximum number of rows and columns displayed using pandas options, prints the array, and then resets those options. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that since Python 3, the threshold for printing Numpy arrays cannot be set to unlimited. Instead, they recommend using sys.maxSize to set the threshold. This allows you to print the entire Numpy array without truncation. Here's that special tip I promised. If you frequently work with large datasets, consider using pandas for better data handling and visualization. It can make your life a lot easier. And there you have it. You should now be able to print your Numpy arrays without any truncation. Remember, adjusting your print options is key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.